Most people see a piece of paper as a blank page. A senior designer sees it as a structural anchor. Today, we are performing Material Alchemy to solve the problem of the flat wall. We are revealing DIY paper wall decor that doesn't just fill space, it creates infinite volume. If you want to add breathtaking charm to your home using nothing but paper and structural logic, your home. I'm Beki, and this is the Fiber Revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. I know life can feel two-dimensional sometimes, but in this space, we use architectural artistry to find the depth. Today, we aren't just crafting, we are engineering. In 2026, we are moving towards sustainable luxury and tactile integrity. We are building wall hangings that don't just sit on the wall, they breathe with it. Let's step into the magic of the fold. The Fiber Revelation. Engineering dimensional integrity. 1. The philosophy of fiber alchemy. In the world of Beki Decor, we believe that luxury is not a price tag. It is a perspective. We don't see cheap paper. We see the infinite potential of cellulose fiber. This is material alchemy. The process of taking a common, ephemeral material and giving it dimensional integrity. In 2026, the shift towards sustainable luxury means we are looking for ways to liven up our homes without contributing to the cycle of waste. Paper is the ultimate medium for this. It is recyclable, lightweight, and surprisingly strong when you apply structural logic. When you create a DIY paper wall decor piece, you aren't just decorating on a budget. You are practicing vertical artistry. You are telling a story of transformation, proving that a breathtaking sanctuary can be built from the most humble of materials. We are moving away from the disposable culture and toward an era of atmospheric curation, where even a fiber-based installation carries the weight of a permanent architectural feature. By understanding the molecular strength of the fold, we turn the delicate into the durable. Two. Engineering the geometric skeleton. The secret to making paper look like a $2,000 museum piece is the geometric skeleton. Most DIY projects fail because they are too flat. To achieve spatial expansion, we must move into the third dimension. We use techniques like scoring, accordion pleating, and modular interlocking to create a frame that holds its own weight. This is the foundation of structural logic. Think of your wall as a canvas for shadow architecture. A flat circle of paper is just a shape, but a faceted, 3D paper pyramid becomes a vessel for light and shadow. As the sun moves through your room, your wall art changes. This is luminous integrity. By engineering a series of these modules, you create a geometric skeleton that draws the eye and tricks the brain into perceiving more depth than the room actually has. This is how we defeat small room syndrome. With nothing but a ruler and a blade, we are creating a living wall that responds to the environment. The shadows cast by your geometric folds provide a natural, shifting contrast that no flat paint color could ever achieve. You are essentially building a low-relief sculpture that interacts with the very physics of your home. Three. Tactile integrity. moving beyond the craft. Look. To ensure your work has tactile integrity, you must be intentional about your choice of medium. In 2026, we are moving away from neon construction paper and toward high-end textural fibers. Look for heavyweight cold-press watercolor paper, handmade mulberry paper, or even architectural vellum. These materials have a hand to them. They feel expensive. They carry a weight that signals quality before the design even takes shape. When we apply Material Alchemy, perhaps by lightly misting the edges with a champagne bronze pigment or using a bone folder to create crisp, hard-edge shadows, we elevate the paper into the realm of sculpture. The mindful creator knows that the finish is just as important as the form. We want people to walk up to your wall and ask, "Is that stone? Is that plaster?" Only to realize it's the magic of paper. By focusing on the tactile integrity of the fiber, its tooth, its grain, its weight, you bridge the gap between hobby and high design. It's about the sensory experience of the material itself. Four, curating the inspired interior. Placement is where structural logic meets atmospheric curation. A single paper module can look lonely, but a dimensional curation of 20 modules creates a focal point that defines the entire room. We use paper wall hangings to create infinite volume in transition spaces, like entryways, hallways, or the often ignored wall above a desk. Because paper is so light, we can engineer massive installations that would be impossible with wood or metal without heavy-duty anchors. You can cover an entire wall in a living wave of paper petals, creating a breathtaking sanctuary that feels like a soft, organic extension of the architecture. This is spatial integrity. You aren't just hanging a craft, you are altering the frequency of the room. You are using vertical artistry to guide the eye and soothe the mind. In a world full of hard surfaces and digital screens, a paper installation brings a softness, a human touch, that re-centers the spirit within the space. Five, the final revelation. The art of the affordable. Look at the way the light hits these folds. By performing Material Alchemy, we've taken a stack of paper and turned it into an architectural anchor. This is the fiber revelation. It is the proof that your environment is a reflection of your ingenuity, not your income. Style is not about the depth of your pockets. It's about the depth of your structural logic. By building your own DIY paper wall decor, you are claiming your space as a mindful creator. You are proving that beauty is a choice you make every day with the tools you already have. Luxury is finally within reach. It's right there in your hands, waiting to be folded into existence. When you look at your finished piece, don't just see paper. See the infinite volume you've created. See the breathtaking sanctuary you've engineered from nothing. This is the ultimate power of the creator. To see the extra in the ordinary. Thank you for joining me in this fiber revelation. My prayer for you today is that you look at the simple things around you. A piece of paper, a ray of light, a simple fold, and see their infinite potential. Remember that with a little Material Alchemy, your home can become a masterpiece on any budget. If you've created your own paper sculpture, or used these paper wall hanging ideas to transform your space, tell me about it in the comments. I love hearing how you are adding tactile integrity to your walls and finding your own structural logic. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you this Tuesday for our next breathtaking reveal. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep engineering your soul into your space. Remember, your walls are the boundaries of your world, but they don't have to be flat. Don't be afraid to use structural logic to build your breathtaking sanctuary. Use what you have, honor the light, and create an inspired interior that knows your name. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep creating, and keep finding the depth in the simple.